Welcome to Maths Simultaneous Equations Part 2. This is Quadratic. So, we're going to do question 3 from the simultaneous equation involving quadratics worksheet, which can be found just above this amazing video. So, solve the simultaneous equation by eliminating the letter y. So our two simultaneous equations are x squared plus y squared equals 25 and y equals x minus 7. So this is just a little bit of an advancement, but let's get started.
So our objective here is to square the bottom equation in order to get y squared equals x minus 7 squared. Now, since we know what y squared is, we might as well just substitute it into the top equation and get x squared plus x minus 7 squared equals 25.
The y squareds are gone because, we've got a y squared here, we've got a y squared here,
So
two
just
y
replace
squareds,
it.
and gone.
We just replaced it. Yes, you're right. Now, since we'll have both x's on one side, we can just as well solve the equation. So now we open up the brackets and get x squared and then negative.
Let me just rub that away. Oh wait,
x
that was
squared
wrong.
negative 14x and plus 49.
And that still equals 25.
Yes. Now we should try to get 0 on one side and have everything else on the left side. We add x squared, get 2x squared minus 14x, and since we took away 25 from both sides, we now have 24,
yeah.
which equals 0. Now this is simple quadratic that we can factorize, and it turns into...
So, you may now want to pause that video since factorizing should already be covered. So, I hope you can do that.
So...
Our cameraman just got a little bit of aggression, but let's continue with the good old times. So
in order to factorize this, first we should try to make it simplified as much as possible. For example, by dividing everything by 2. So we get x squared negative 7x plus 12 equals 0.
So, and that was our little trick in the video. You should have realized that before factorizing. So, now is the time where you can pause the video again to factorize if you haven't completed that successfully the first time. So let's get going.
So as you can see, the factorizing would equal to x minus 3 times by x minus 4.
And that's still equal to the magic number 0.
Yeah, and since we know this equals to 0, that means one of the factors, at least one of them, has to equal 0. Which means
that x can equal two different things.
Exactamente, Philip Sky.
X can either equal 3 or x can equal 4. Now this is because if you make x 4, for example, in the right hand side of things, 4 minus 4 equals, once again, that magical number 0.
Okay.
Yes, now we may as well just find the y.
Yes, I will shortly erase that part, so please remember x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 4. Please just use your brain memory cells to get that into your head. We will write that on the top of our little workspace so that you don't forget.
Or, well, now we know that we can just substitute that into our second equation, which would be the most easiest option for us. So we substitute the first one in, we substitute the second possible option in.
So, and 3 minus 7 equals minus 4. So one possibility for y equals minus 4. However, we have two possibilities. So the other possibility, of course, equals y equals -3. So that just depends which of the options were chosen. Okay, thank you for
For watching.
reviewing part 2.
I hope you enjoyed it.